The civil authorities has issued a shelter-in-place warning. Do not go outside. If you do not look behind you for any reason. Children with superhuman powers are killing everyone who goes and wear masks. Wear a mask to survive this event. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. The duration of this event will go on until further notice. If you escape shelter, the leader will eventually kill you. If any family members are stuck outside with or without masks, do not save them at all. If you are at a park, you will get the DeRon_Part 10 virus. Stay indoors. Now.